have this box again?
Yeah.
Where did we see this box last time?
At the shorts video that we made.
Oh yeah, when we received the Happy Mail?
Yep.
All right, so today you're opening it up, all right? All right, let's do it.
Okay.
What's inside?
Why does this look so weird?
Oh my goodness.
So we opened the...
What is it? Show the front.
It looks like Jojo
Oh,
Siwa.
washable makeup for girls. So it's like a real makeup,
Yes, there
but you
is.
could take it off?
Imagine if it didn't come off and that would be like super angry.
No, it's gonna come off. All righty. You ready to unbox it, Pace?
Yeah, it looks like Jojo Siwa.
Alrighty, Pacie, are you ready to take out that makeup kit out of that box?
Yeah.
Alrighty, here we go.
Oh. Okay, I get it.
What is
Oh,
that?
mermaid pouch. Let me put it in my...
Put it, okay, cool. Let me see it. What is that?
Lipstick. No, we're not using that.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
real lipstick, a Pacers.
Alrighty, Pace.
Don't tell your parents about this. Well, you can only tell your mom, okay? Get it? Not your dad. Your dad will get upset. Yep, this looks like Jojo Siwa to me.
Alright, turn it around. What a cute little box.
With real makeup brushes and real lipstick.
Nice. Alrighty.
Okay.
So this is like a makeup bag.
No,
Cool.
that can be for the brushes.
Yep. And let's open it.
I'm gonna open it from the bottom.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm gonna let me paint my toes only.
Nail
I'm
polish.
gonna let me paint my toes only, okay? Because
Yeah,
I'm only allowed
okay.
to do that. Okay, what do we have in here?
Ooh, blush and eyeshadow maybe? Cool.
I'm really weird about this.
I
I forgot how to open these ones.
don't know if that oh, like that.
Oh, twist.
Ooh, that's the eyeshadow.
Yeah, that has to be.
Nice.
Oh, let's peel this off.
Yeah, peel it off and it's got a cute little mirror. Sweet. Alrighty, do you want to open this and show them what's in that little bag?
Yeah.
You need help? You got it? Alright. Okay. Pull. There you go. Pull it from there. There you go.
Silly me.
What is that? Ooh, show the lipstick. Pink and red lipstick?
Is this real?
Yes. Okay, close it up before you get it all over the spot. And then pink lipstick.
Yeah, the ordinary one definitely looks like this.
And then you got some makeup brushes here.
Let me see. Okay, you tell me all of the brushes that I need to use, okay? Because basically my mom has these brushes, but like she has like a trillion.
Okay, this is so.
Okay, I can tell because my mom lets me use this for my eyes. So
This is for your eyebrows to brush them out.
I can tell this is for the blush, right?
This is for the eyeshadow.
Oh.
Give me this one. This one's for the blush. This one's for the lipstick.
The lipstick.
Yep. And then this one is probably, I think it's for a little bit more eyeshadow.
What about
Oh, okay, yeah.
so one of them has to be the blush. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, this one's the blush.
I know, but why did you say?
And
Oh, Daddy, Mommy.
And they've got, oh yeah, and then there's some more brushes in there too.
I'm gonna open my gold.
Alrighty, Pacie, what do you think of this new makeup set?
Cool and real.
It's cool and real. You like it?
Yep, I do.
Alrighty, thank you to our friends for sponsoring us and giving and gifting us this little gift. Alrighty, friends.
Thank you very